Jolly Old St. Nicholas. In this piece, we have quarter notes, half notes, and whole notes. Make sure in the quarter notes, you're drawing your bow a little bit quicker for that one beat. For the half notes, you're slowing down your bow and saving it to make sure you get 2 beats. 1, 2, 1, 2. And for the whole notes, at the last bar of every line, you're going to hold it for 4 beats. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And please make sure you are utilizing the entire length of the bow from the frog to the tip and from the tip to the frog. Now, in terms of our fingerings, we start with the note B. That is our index finger, first finger on the string A. This is my A string. Put your finger on the first tape on the fingerboard, which is going to be the tape closest to the scroll, away from your face, right? So this is the note B. Then you have in the third bar the note G, which is your third finger, this finger. So my G is on the D string. This is my open D. And this is what the G sounds like. Then we also have the note E, which is first finger again on string D. This is D, first finger. That is a note E. So let's start this piece. Make sure again you use the entire length of the bow. To start off, make sure you're in playing position. Violin is up. First thing you need to check is the placement of your thumb. Make sure your thumb is placed on the side of the fingerboard, this neck right here, across from the first tape on your violin fingerboard, right here, like that. Make sure your thumb is pointing toward the ceiling and you have a space in between your thumb, like inside. Your fingers are hovering over the fingerboard, and I have my first finger, B, on the A string. My violin bow hold is ready, and I have it on the A string at the frog. So let's count 4 beats together, and then we shall begin. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open A. Hold for 2 beats. G, third finger. First finger on A string. 2, 3, 4. Now E. F sharp. One, 2, 3, 4. All the way to the frog. All the way to the frog. Now E. Third finger. Open A. And freeze for a few seconds to place your violin down. Have fun with this piece.